How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Hacketts. We're getting a new set of tyres for the Ranger. Now this is going to be a little bit interesting for you guys because the Ranger tyres have a sensor in them. So long story short, Connor's Ranger's getting a lift kit. The tyres we're getting aren't going to fit with the standard lift, so we need to swap the tyres over. We're getting a set of big meaty boys today. We're going to go through showing where the sensor is, probably how to take it out, swapping the tyres over, and then that's pretty much going to be it. So thank you Hacketts for doing this. As always, Hacketts is the best. Okay, so first step we need to do is get the tyre off the rim. Let the professionals here at Hacketts do it. So that's just debeating the tyre from the rim? Yep. Okay. So that sensor there is what will tell you your tyre pressures on the Ranger models and any other models that have a pressure sensor in them. That's all that is. So you're going to have to keep that in mind when changing rims. Very noisy in here. Oh yeah. Alright, so now we've taken the sensor out, just got to fill it back up again. It'll rebeat itself and then we're good to go. And then we're going to go to fitting the sensor to the new rims, which are somewhere in the workshop here. And these are the rims we're going with. These are D lockers. They are a 17-inch rim, 18-inch D. And we've got 4 of those bad boys to be metered up with the meat. So the next door, we'll go look at those right now. And here we have the meat. So these are a nice all-terrain. They are a nice, oh, got to turn it upside down. Larkin Wild Peak AT. So these are a 315 by 70 by 17R. Sorry if I messed that up. I'm a little bit tyre sizes. These are big meaty boys, so pretty much a 35-inch tyre. If not, I think the equivalent 35-inch tyre. I'm not too sure what tyre size, but they're big. So these are being mated to those nice D-locks, and then we can't actually put them on the car because big boy things. We haven't got a lift kit in it yet, so we're going to do a lift kit on this soon. We're doing a video on that when it does happen, but we have a few too many things in the garage at the moment, as you can see. So
we have nothing, and then we have everything.
So, yeah, we've got a bit going on at the moment. We do have the engine that we need to put together in the Falcon as well, so unless it's already happened and you've seen that. So yeah, once the car is out of the garage, we can bring the Ranger in, do the lift kit on it, and then move on from there. Okay, here we go. New rims. We're going to put the valve sensors onto the side here where our normal ones will sit. Ah, so that pulls in the valve. Nice. That's it. Do that 4 more times. So now with the new sensors in there, they'll pick up the tyre pressures for these tyres, even though they're not fitted for the car, which we'll have to do that later. We'll do a side-by-side comparison outside. All machines working all the time. That's why I come to Hacketts. Alright, so now they are balancing the tyre in this machine here. Yes. And then it applies whatever that is, the road I'm guessing. And now it'll tell them where to put the weights. And then they'll fit the weights and then it's good to go. Almost forgot to do an outro. Thanks for watching, thank you Hacketts, and keep on boosting. We'll see you in the next video.